Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Warsword in Gothic 1 Remake. The battle sword is one of the best early game melee weapons you can get without requiring an extremely high strength stat. To make things easier, I recommend getting the crossbow first. We have a video on the channel showing how to get the crossbow, so please make sure to check it out. What you'll want to do is head to this area where you'll find a goblin cave. Be careful here since you'll encounter several goblins, but they're much easier to deal with if you have a crossbow. Once you've cleared the area, make sure to loot all the goblins you defeated since they're a good source of early ore nuggets. Now head inside the cave and follow my path until you reach this chest. Inside the chest, you'll find the Warsword. This weapon has 34 attack, which is higher than most weapons you'll find early in the game, and it only requires 24 strength to equip. And that's how to get the Warsword in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.